Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be opening this art snack subscription box. This is the first time I've ever done an art subscription box. And this is the one for October. And this is not sponsored by them. I bought this as a birthday present for myself. But yeah, I'm super excited to open this and see what's inside. Maybe. Good. Glad this is packed so well, but it's hard to get open. Wait, oh, there. Or is it easier? Okay. So, here's a little snack. Looks like a sour thing. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like that because I don't usually like sour candy. And then what's this? Ooh. So it looks like a brush pen. I don't know, we'll open that in a second. And fine liner. Looks, wait. Oh, 4 of them. There's 4. 4 colors of fine liners. Cool. We'll open that in a second too. Oh. A present. Wrapped. Surprise. Try not to mess it up. It's wrapped so nicely. I think it's gonna have to end up being a little right though. Yeah. No, I don't really. Okay. See what's in the surprise. Oh, yeah, there's a giant hole. I did not open that nicely. Oh, maybe. Oh. Where? How many times is this wrapped? Oh. So, definitely a win with this guy. I have some of these already, but these are definitely these jelly roll pens. Gel pens are nice for highlights. So awesome. Acrylic marker. Green acrylic marker. Sticker. Okay. Here's what's on the menu for October. A Kuretake Bimoji pen, brush pen. So that must be this guy. And then Sakura Classic White Jelly Roll pen. And then Amsterdam acrylic marker. That's this guy. And our set of 4 Marabu Graphics color fine liners in red, blue, green, and black. And then I'll tell you the joke that's on here. It says, what did the cow say to the artist? This is a very moving piece. Okay, so now the Art Snacks challenge is to use all of the products in this box and create an original piece of art. So I guess we'll do that. Fun! So I took these out of their boxes and I'm just gonna like play around with them a little bit before I actually make a thing. I don't know how I'm gonna use all this to do a thing. Ooh. That's not like a brush pen, or it needs to be like, well, I don't know. It's not really brush penny. Well, you can get pretty good lines with it. It's not really a brush pen like I thought, but look how fancy it looks. Do I have to shake this? Permanent green, water-based. Oh, it's one of those where you like have to, you like press it down and work the stuff into the nib. Come on. Oh, it's starting. So you don't know, which might be better once there's more paint in them, but I've never really liked these kinds of paint markers just because the, like, it's kind of getting better, but like the nib always felt like so rough to me because it's a marker. Like, it goes on smooth, but like it catches on the paper, and I don't know if I really enjoy that. It's just these fine liners. It's more of like a purpley blue. An indigo. And that kind of matches with this. These two greens could look nice together. And then the black. And I already know how the jelly roll works, but get it started a little bit maybe. There we go. Works perfect. Okay, let's just doodle a little bit on this page so I don't like totally waste the spice on here. This is interesting to work with. Like, I don't know how to describe it. Like, it's not an ordinary tip for a marker. I have no idea what I'm gonna make with all this stuff. This does do like really sketchy lines nicely. I don't know how I'm gonna use all these colors. still not 100% liking this. Like I said, like you can even hear it on the page. Like it's scratchy. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, now I'm gonna brainstorm what I'm gonna do, and I'll probably sketch out first, and then yeah. So in my experimenting over here, I found that like layering these fine line colors kind of creates a cool effect with the different colors and stuff. So I think I'm gonna use that in my final drawing. So yeah, let's go started on the final thing. Also, I want to note this is the back side. None of these bled through this mixed media paper. So this is what I came up with. I used all the fine liners for the fur, and then to make the darkest part I used that acrylic marker as like the shadow part, and then I used most of the black markers for the face to make that stand out. So I hope you enjoyed this little video of my first ever subscription box for art supply. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more art things, art videos and stuff. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.